Last time where we had stopped, I had given you all some sums for homework, correct? I hope you all have done it. Any doubts, any queries anybody has, please let me know, otherwise we'll proceed further. If you have no doubts, then we'll proceed further. किसी को भी कोई doubts नहीं है? आगे बढ़े. Last time we had seen that formula an equals to tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d, isn't it? So we have to proceed further from there. Okay. Just give me a minute. So I've given you some sums from exercise 3.2 also. I believe you all don't have difficulty in that, so we will proceed. We'll look at few more examples. Which term, shall we start writing now? Which term of the following AP is 560? Which term of the, did we do this last time? Which term is 560? Which term of the following AP is 560? Okay, what is the AP? I think we had done this sum. Just check. I think we had done this sum. Anybody? You have your last times this thing?
Yes.
Yeah, we have done this sum. So please don't copy this. We'll move to the next one. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? Write down the question. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? So now what do we understand by this? First of all, the numbers are two-digit numbers. Okay, that means the first two-digit number starts with 10, last ends with 99, isn't it? But what does it say? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? Now 10 is not divisible by 4. 10 is not divisible by 4. Neither is 11. So first two-digit number which is divisible by 4 is 12. 12 3 divided by 4 will give you 3. So first two-digit number which is divisible by 4 is 12. As we go ahead, the next number that is divisible by 4 two-digit is 16. The next is 20. Correct? Up till 99. But is 99 divisible by 4? No, 99 is not divisible by 4. So which is the second lowest two-digit number? That is 98. Is 98 divisible by 4?
No.
This is what happens when you all don't do your tables. I had asked you all to do your tables. You all didn't do it. So this is what is the problem. You don't know whether 98 is divisible by 4. Yes. Yeah. The last number, two-digit number, divisible by 4 is going to be 96. So this is what is an AP that we have got. Okay. This is the AP that we have got, starting with 12. Okay. Starting with 12 going up to 96. Starting with 12 going up to 96. Now what does it say? How many, kitne, how many terms are there in this AP? Of course, you can say 24, 28, 32, 36, सब लिख लो और count कर लो, है ना, easy. Will spend lots of time, will not get you marks. Even if your answer is right, you will not get marks because that is not what is expected. Sir, सब लिख लिया और I have come till that it is 12 or 16 or whatever numbers that are there. That will not, or 24 numbers, that is not going to work. No, you have to solve it using an formula, using AP. So here we see the first term is 12. First term is 12. So A is 12. After that, every term is increasing by 4. Every term is increasing by 4. 4 से बढ़ रहा है. So D is going to be how much? 4. 16 minus 12, 4. 20 minus 16, D is also 4. Okay. So you have got A as 12, D as 4. What after that? What is it that we have to find out? Now, I know what is the last term. I know what is the last term. This is the last term. But I don't know what is this term number. That is what I have to find out. I don't know what is the term number. So what I have to find out is N. Okay, that is what is going to be the important thing. If you can find out this, after that you just have to substitute in the formula. Substituting in the formula is not that difficult. What is the formula? Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Substitute. Tn we know is 96. A is 12. N we don't know, into 4. So 96 equals to 12 plus 4n minus 4. 96 equals to 12 plus 4n minus 4, which is equal to 8 plus 4n, because 12 minus 4 is 8. So 96, bring this 8 on the left hand side, minus 8 equals to 4n. 96 minus 8 equals to 4n. How much is 96 minus 8? 80. Bring 4 this side, it will get divided. N equals to 22. N equals to 22. So how many terms are there? There are 22 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. Don't leave your answer over here. If you leave your answer over here, it is incomplete. You're supposed to write Only when you write this is your answer complete. Only when you write this is your answer complete. Okay. Otherwise, marks will get deducted. Otherwise, marks will get deducted. Are we clear? Please copy this. Those of you who have not done it, please do it now so that we can move to the next sum. I'll give you 2 minutes. Again, we are going to get disconnected. Then again, we will be reconnecting after some time. We have 7-8 minutes now. But before that, you all please copy this sum and I'll give you the next one which you all can start working. So even if we get disconnected, by that time you all can try and solve that. Completed? Finished copying this? Anyone not done, please let me know because I'm going to erase this for the next sum. इसमें किसी को कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है, प्लीज पूछो. Anybody has any doubts, difficulties, queries, please ask. Any doubts, any queries, any difficulties, please ask. कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो. Anybody has any queries? All finished copying? Should I start with the next sum then? Okay, so let's begin with the next sum then. Right now this is interesting. Let's see if we can solve this. The 10th term and the 18th term. The 10th term and the 18th term of an AP. The 10th term and 18th term of an AP. 10th term and 18th term of an AP are 25 and 41 respectively. Are 25 and 41 respectively. The 10th term and 18th term of an AP are 25 and 41 respectively. Find the 38th term of that AP. Find the 38th term of that AP. Find the 38th term of that AP. Similarly, if the nth term is 99, similarly, if the nth term is 99, similarly, if the nth term is 99, find the value of n. Similarly, if the nth term is 99, find the value of n. Have you all got the question? Want me to repeat again? The 10th term and the 15th term of an AP are 25 and 41 respectively. 10th term, that means, and 18th term, T10 and T18 are how much? 25 and 41. This is given to me. T10 is 25, T18 is 41. Are we clear with this? Okay. T10 and T18, that is given to me. Then find the 38th term. 38 equals to question. Then find the 38th term. That is what you have to find out. Find the 38th term of the AP. And there is a second part of the question. What is the second part? That says if Tn, if Tn is 99, then find n. So there are two parts to this question. First, they've given you T10 and T18. They've asked you to find T38. Okay. And then they've given you Tn and asked you to find n. Till here, are we clear? Any doubts, queries, question in this? Anyone? If you have any doubts, please ask. Up here, you will see there is no A. There is no D. Isn't it? So how do we go about it? Because formula to kya tha? Formula is simple. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Isn't it? Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. We do not have the value of A. We do not have the value of D. We don't have any of these things. Okay. So how are we going to go about it? But we have T10. How much is T10? T10 will be A plus 10 minus 1 D. Isn't it? T10 will be, but what is the value of T10? 25. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. 25 equals to A plus 9D. This will be your first equation. This will be your first equation. Here we are going to use what you have learned last year, though you might not have given that exam, isn't it? Where you have done linear equations, simultaneous equations. That is what we are going to use. Similarly, we have T18. How much is T18? Again, A plus 18 minus 1 D. But that is how much? 41. A plus 17 D. This is your second equation. Copy till here before we get disconnected. Okay, then I'll explain. We are going to solve this simultaneously. We are going to solve this simultaneously. There are two methods, substitution and elimination. We will use the substitution method. Okay. From here, I can say, if I shift this 90 this side, I can say A equals to 25 minus 9D. Now substitute this value of A in the second equation. So I have 41 equals to, in place of A, 25 minus 9D plus 17D. Okay, which is 25 minus 9D plus 17D, which is 25 plus 18D. 25 plus 18D. Sorry, not 18, 8D. 25 plus 8D when I subtract that. Till here clear? Because if this is clear, we'll move a little ahead. So 41 equals to 25 plus 8D. Shift this 25 this side. 41 minus 25 equals to 8D. 16 equals to 8D. 16 upon 8 equals to D. Therefore, D equals to 2. Capital here. D equals to 2, copy till here. Using this value, you are going to find A. We'll get disconnected in any minute, any moment. Till that time, copy this